lesson number 87. On a summer day in Papete, a young princess named Heiva was out playing with friends. After a few minutes, she became separated from them. As she searched to find them, she began to realize she was lost and needed to find water. As she walked and walked, the sun grew hotter. Princess Heiva was hoping to find water, but had no luck. Just as her spirit wavered, the rain began to fall. And now a happy princess held out her hands and drank the water. Then she poured it over her. As the water soaked into her skin, it also renewed and refreshed her spirit with every drop to give her strength to be united with her friends again. Ladies and gentlemen, soloist number 87, drummers, judges is ready. Number 87. Thank you, Malia.